Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with dry, damaged hair and are looking for something to bring it back to life, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a product that claims to do just that: ANZA Keratin Healing Oil Hair Treatment. This oil promises to revive and nourish your hair and scalp, leaving you with softness, shine, and protection. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a review on the latest beauty essentials. Let's talk about what makes this product stand out. The ANZA Keratin Healing Oil Hair Treatment is specifically formulated for dry, damaged hair. It's sulfate-free and features the Phyto complex, which blends natural botanicals with keratin protein to help restore your hair's health. This product also offers UV protection and pollution defense, which is a must for anyone dealing with environmental stressors on their hair. Plus, it's paraben-free, making it a cleaner choice for those seeking a more natural solution. Now on to how this product performs. I've had the chance to use it over several weeks, and it really does seem to work wonders. The oil is lightweight, which is great because it doesn't weigh your hair down or leave it greasy. It's perfect for adding a bit of shine without overdoing it. I applied it on damp hair, focusing on the ends, and it was instantly more manageable. My hair felt softer and looked shinier right away, and I could tell it was absorbing into the strands. In terms of real-world usage, I've tried it both in my usual morning routine and as a post-styling treatment, and I can say it performs well both ways. Whether I'm styling with heat or letting my hair air dry, this oil helps maintain a smooth texture, reducing frizz and adding that polished finish I've been craving. What I like most is that it gives a noticeable improvement to dry hair without being too heavy. It's ideal for people who have fine to medium hair, though those with thicker or coarser hair might want to apply it sparingly. On the flip side, the small bottle size may be a downside for some. At 0.34 fluid ounces, it's not the most economical for those with long or thick hair who need more product per use. However, because the formula is so concentrated, a little goes a long way, which helps offset that cost. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. In terms of value for money, I'd say this product is on the pricier side, but it's justified if you're looking for a high-quality hair oil that offers more than just shine. You're paying for the nourishing ingredients, UV protection, and the overall effectiveness of the product. When compared to other hair oils on the market, ANZA stands out with its combination of natural ingredients and added protection against environmental damage. Some alternatives might be cheaper, but they often lack the extra benefits like UV protection and pollution defense that this one offers. As for the build quality, the packaging is sleek and practical. The small size makes it easy to carry around for on-the-go use, though I do wish the bottle had a larger size for more frequent use. If you're looking for a similar product at a lower price point, there are a few options that might interest you, but they won't necessarily offer the same level of protection or the advanced formulation that ANZA provides. So does the ANZA Keratin Healing Oil Hair Treatment live up to its promises? Absolutely. It's perfect for anyone dealing with dry, damaged hair and looking for a product that can restore some moisture, shine, and protection. It works especially well for those who want a lighter touch with their hair oils. Thank you for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. If you're looking to pick it up, the link's in the description box below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.